How's it going, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be installing a rear diffuser here on the WRX. First time we're actually filling out the body kit of this car. We have 3 different brands on this car now. I'm probably going to butcher the name of this one, but Strafe Designs or whatever they're called. Then we have Airflow Dynamics and side skirts, and then we have the Amazon front lip. So far, build quality is pretty decent, but it is over half the price of Airflow Dynamics for the exact same thing. So I just wanted to try them out, see how they go. They actually come with instructions, so that's really useful. So we're just going to be reading up on that, and then me and Josh here are just going to go ahead and slap this thing on. Shouldn't take more than maybe 20 minutes to just get it all put together. So yeah, we'll keep posted on the way. Stay tuned, keep watching. So as you guys should know the drill by now, I usually just hold the camera and Josh puts everything on my car because why not? That's what he's here for, right? Right, Josh? That's why he's here. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually super easy. It's coming together.
Yeah, it just goes right on. Main thing we're working on is getting these little side fins put together here. They're just gonna ride up just on the side of the bumper like so, and everything should just go according to plan. They're already pre-drilled and everything for you, so you just have to put in that little rubber grommet and then you just bolt right up basically. So like I said, build quality is pretty good. They made out of aluminum, so hopefully everything goes according to plan, which it looks like it does. So alrighty, boys, here is what this side is looking like right now. All tightened up there, everything's looking good. Dude, I just noticed it's pretty gross down here.
Yeah, exhaust thing look gross.
Exhaust thing is just, oh my god. Looking at it from this angle, yeah, pretty gross. Whole exhaust is pretty gross.
I think just doing these sides is good enough. Then 6 rounds of Fat 40. I'll call it a day.
You can't.
I'm not taking this off unless you sit right here.
No. Fat pounded my balls. Ah.
It's all in the clip. Fat pounded my eyeball. Okay. Oh, real shit. Move it slightly to the right.
Read the instructions.
Dude, I don't need to. I'm too small for this shit.
Fresh cold start of a 2022.
Cold start.
Dude, it's stone cold right now, dude.
Stone cold. You lost it?
Oh!